Hello guys, in this lecture of 3D Creo parametric, and in today's lecture we are going to see much more about how to just divide a line, its center point, its cutting, its trimming, and much more, how to make it symmetric, how to make it perpendicular, how to make it horizontal, and two more things. Okay, so let's get started. And this is a normal interface, and right now we will have to select a plane on which we are going to just draw or sketch. Okay, so this is the front plane and sketch. Okay, and I am going to select a line and going to make two lines which are aligned anyway to the center lines. Mm, yeah, there you go. So you can see we are going to deal with this section of Creo parametric, and this is about all about how to make it perpendicular, how to make it coincident, how to make it parallel, equal, symmetric, and tangent, and two more things. Okay, so if I want to make it parallel, what I have to do, I have to just select this, select the line, first line with the second line. See, you can see the difference. I have made them parallel, but it is not parallel to the axis, this center line. Okay, so if I want to make it equal, right now you can see the dimension is not at all equal. They are right now parallel but not equal. Okay, so what to do, I am going to just select this equal, and this and this. You can see the changes, they are right now equal. And also you will be able to see a notification, not an notification but an instruction. If something goes wrong, here you can see the instruction, and if you make a command, then also you will be able to see the instruction over here. Okay, so we have made it equal. And what is this is about symmetric. Okay, so if I want to make it symmetric, right now it is not, because it is already equal. Okay, so if I want to make it horizontal, or sorry, vertical, I am going to horizontal or vertical, both we can choose. Okay, so right now I want to make it vertical. Select the line. See, you can see the difference, but the changes goes as this: the length was reduced, and the other ones was also, because it is equal and parallel to the uh, first line. Okay, both of the lines are have made themselves vertical, but with less magnitude. Okay, so we are going to again go back with the help of this option, and also with the help of control Z you can do undo this. Okay, so I am going to undo this. You can see the difference. Okay, and if I want to make it this is for horizontal. Okay, so I want to make it horizontal, and both of the lines are right now horizontal. Okay, symmetric was unable to proceed because the lines were already parallel or equal, and to the center line, and they were equal to. Okay, now if I want to make them perpendicular, I can make it. So select the line and the axis. Okay, so something got we got a notification box. The highlighted two constraint conflict, some of the delete or convert. Okay, so I'm just going to close this. What if I want to make them yeah, the constraint was, or the notification was due to this, because they are already parallel and perpendicular to it. So if we want to make it perpendicular, we will have to undo this again, and select the perpendicular option, and do this. See, right now they are perpendicular. Okay, Now I'm going to use the second option of divide. If you want to make if you want to divide a line into many parts, you can do that with the help of divide section. This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so this is how the divide option is. We can use this in this form. Okay, and even you can do this in circles, in triangles, and many more too. Okay, mirror option is for the sketch, or the sketch that we have made. We can just mirror it with the help of center line. We will have to select the center line and then the sketch, and then we can proceed further. You will see the image or a symmetric image of this beyond the center line. Okay, so that's it for today. We are going to have a next session on much more exploration about Creo parametric. So that's it about today. Thank you.